Hi. So Microsoft Excel contains 400 plus functions and many advanced tools to make the day-to-day work simpler. Routine repetitive work may be automated through use of simple macros which do not require prior knowledge about VBA codes. So let us get into the basics of Microsoft Excel. This entire file, an Excel file, is referred to as an Excel workbook. The workbook contains multiple sheets like this that are shown below. Beginning from the top, the name of the workbook that is currently active will be displayed in the center here. The action buttons to minimize, maximize, and close are available in the right side, and the quick access toolbar is available in the left side. We can add further tools for quick access here by going to the menu using this drop down. Next, we see various tabs that are available like File, Home, Insert, etc. Various tools of Microsoft Excel are grouped under these tabs based on their functionalities. Inside the tab, we see tools are grouped based on certain categories. For example, here under the Home tab, we see the font options are grouped under the font category, so on and so forth. This entire thing is called ribbon. We can hide the ribbon by clicking the arrow at the right bottom corner of the ribbon. To view the tools under the ribbon, we can click the required tab. Now the ribbon will disappear if we click elsewhere. So to pin this, click the pin button at the right bottom corner of the ribbon, or we can toggle this using the shortcut Control F1. Beneath the ribbon, we see the name box and the formula bar. The name box shows the name or location of the active cell. We can name a cell here as we wish, subject to certain conditions. And whenever we refer this name in a formula, it will be referred to this cell. Formula bar shows the data what we enter, the raw data. It may be a formula or value or text. What we enter is what we see in the formula bar. In the cell, we will be seeing the result of the formula or the value or the text itself, and such cell can be formatted in the manner we want, like bold, italic, cell background color, text color, etc. In context, these formatting will not be visible in the formula bar. So now we enter the area of the worksheet. The area of worksheet is around 1717 crores cells. That is, the sheet is made of more than 10 lakh rows and more than 16,000 columns. The default reference style, as we see here, is known as A1 reference style, where the rows are listed in numbers and the columns are listed alphabetical from A to XFD. Another reference style available is R1C1 reference style, where both rows and columns are listed numerically. That reference style is not suitable for using in formulas and might create confusion, and therefore we use A1 reference style as default. The number of characters that can be entered in a cell is around 32,000, and the maximum number of hyperlinks that can be given in a sheet is around 66,000. The number of non-continuous cells that can be selected is around 214 crore cells. Okay, what is non-contiguous cells? A contiguous range of cells is a group of highlighted cells that are adjacent to each other, such as this. A non-contiguous range consists of two or more separate blocks of cells. These blocks can be separated by rows or columns or something like this. So how to select this? Select first cells and then hold on the control button and then select the second range of cells. Hold on the control button until you complete selecting all the cells. The maximum number of worksheets in a workbook can be 255, and the default number of worksheets in a newly created workbook will be 3. Further, the default font of the workbook is Calibri, that is the body font for Microsoft Office. Few of these can be modified in the options under File menu, which we will be covering in the next video. See you there.